Hello everyone. I was looking at my insider trading report today and I found something interesting. I found this company called ADMA Biologics. We're gonna talk about that today. You see, 6 insiders bought shares on this company, and if you look at the last transaction, all of these transactions were actually a few days ago. It was really fresh. So let's move here to the Bio Insider Report, because the company is a biotech company, which is here. So before we jump into that company, let me select a couple of companies just for you in case you want to look at some other options. There's this one, Kaiser Life Science. There are a couple of others. A couple of other ones, Monopathy Therapeutics. This one too, looking also good. Vacinex. So all based on the insider trading information, also the current price in relation to the price that the insiders bought. There is also this Alimera Sciences here. There's another one. Onconova already talked about it before, but also looking good. It's called NGM. It's actually here. Okay, let's jump into ADMA Biologics. That's really interesting. You see here that insiders bought 6 unique insiders, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 transactions, 6 unique, and it was pretty recent. The date on February 11th, just 2 days ago. So that's what's really good about it. The price they bought was around $3.50, so the price is still around that same price. It's fluctuating today between 3.5 and 3.6. That's pretty good. Let's look at some things about this company. So it's a biopharma company, like I said, but it's a kind of a different company in terms of like investing. You're not going to expect the price to jump too much up or down. February 11, it receives an Innovator Award, and not too long ago, just 2 days ago. So a lot of great things about this company. This is the company profile. I'm going straight to the company website. So they're a vertically integrated commercial biopharmaceutical company. They are on the plasma-based biologics. Okay, so they have already a couple of drugs, including one that was approved in 2019. So they got 7 analysts covering the company. We're going to talk a little bit more about that. Yeah, you may say, it doesn't really matter. These people, they just put a price. Our target price is never going to go to that price. Well, not necessarily, and also it's a good thing to have analysts covering a company. So it's not a company that is going to go away tomorrow or something like that. So we look at the company information here. The market cap, $209 million. So it's a pretty decent volume, not bad too much, but a good average. There is a 1-year target of $12.43. As I was talking about the 7 analysts, they're giving the price estimates as high as $15, as low as $10. It's currently at $3.53. So the good thing about it, and that's why I need to run my report more frequently, is that you see that I found this company just today. So we actually have the great chance to buy the stock at around the same price as the insiders bought, because the company is still trading at $3.54. You see, it's actually down today. Let's look at the chart here. There's a 3-month chart. RSI is 37, so it's good. So Bollinger Band here is, low here. There's potential to upside in the near future, probably in the next few days. We don't know, right? It could come down, but if we look at again here, the 52-week range, we're not far from that, so that's good for one thing. The price should not go down too much. They're expecting earnings on March, and from what I've been reading, it might be good earnings, which makes sense. Why would insiders buy around $60 million of stock like in the last few days if they're not expecting the price to go up? Of course, no guarantee, but that usually happens. It happens actually quite often. If we look at the report these companies that I have in the report here, most of them will see the price jumping. The transaction price usually jump after they buy, not necessarily, but most of the time. A lot of cases actually jumps a lot. That's what we're expecting here. We don't know for sure, of course. So it's looking good. It's looking good. You see in 1 year chart here that the price doesn't go up too much and doesn't come down too much. So there's a variation between $6.31 to $3. So we actually at the lows $3.53 on the 52-week range. So that's pretty good. The volume lately is not too bad, so it's getting some traction. So I recommend to take a look at on stock tweets. A lot of people talking about this company. It's a safe company in many ways, comparing especially with many biotech stocks. So it means the price may not jump up too much, but we're not expecting to go down. If it does, not too much at least. So I'm looking for a good entry. If I put a 3-month chart, I think anything below this level 350, it's a pretty good entry price. Yeah, it may come down a little bit, it may, but I'm betting that the price will actually go up. I have this document that I was just taking notes that I took from, especially from stock tweets, and people are saying good things about it. Not everyone, but most of people are expecting price to go up. So sales expectation for the earnings seems to be good. They're posting jobs on Indeed, so which means the company is in good shape. They have 3 FDA approved drugs, and this one looks good. Was approved in 2019, so people are expecting good things for commercialization. As we've been already talking about, a lot of buyers, insider buying, loading. So there is quite a lot of people watching this company at this point, and investors, and we may expect to see more companies or more funds investing on this company from now on. So they won the Innovator Award today. I mean, maybe 1 or 2 days ago from FDA for ASCENIV approval. So they got enough cash. So they're actually planning to expand the company, sales and production. I'm just planning to more and more bring reports like this on time, so that we catch situations like this right away as soon as possible. I do it for me, and I'm doing it for you as well. So Thank you so much. See you next time.